I have seen hundreds of startup pitches ideas. The one that fails usually make one key distinction. The unsuccessful one sells AI. The successful one sells a solution to a specific measurable pain point. The next frontier, it's embedding AI samples directly into the software development pipeline. These models can flag the risky code in real time, predict vulnerabilities before they even deploy, and ensure the continuous compliance. It's about building self-defending systems. AI ops involves using LLM as brains to coordinate complex infrastructure tasks. My research involved LLM-based root cause analysis. So instead of engineers spending hours digging through logs, an AI agent can analyze the cloud outage, diagnose the failure, and even propose a fix. This isn't just automation, it's autonomous remediation. As a full stack software engineer with cloud experience, I'm utilizing AI to solve some developer experience challenges. What I'm trying to do is use AI to cut down those 100 hours into a 5-minute task.
Explain why AI, we want to move away from the black box models of LLMs and say, okay, how do they get that answer? Akshay Mittal is a researcher and technologist specializing in AI-augmented DevSecOps and secure cloud-native infrastructure, with over a decade of experience driving mission-critical innovation across academic and industry sectors.
What I love about AI space is that you constantly bridge the gap between the high-level theory and practical in the trench applications. How do we take a complex academic concept from a research paper and actually use it to solve a real-time problem at enterprise scale? We'll separate the successful AI companies from one that end up being headlined for the breach.